What's up guys, Trey here with AmericanMuscle.com, and today we're checking out the Ford 2018 Mustang intake manifold designed to fit the 2011 to 2023 Mustang GTs. This is going to be perfect for GT owners who want to upgrade their intake system for the increased airflow and improved performance. This intake manifold brings cutting-edge performance to your earlier model Mustang GT. Derived from the 2018 Mustang GT's innovative design, this manifold incorporates high-flow runners that increase airflow and help produce more horsepower and torque, especially in those higher RPM ranges. But one of the cool features about this thing is it's going to get you boosted airflow at all RPMs for an overall better driving experience and throttle response. It's optimized for naturally aspirated applications, but it can also be paired with forced induction setups with proper tuning. One of the standout features is going to be the compatibility with the twin independent variable camshaft timing to ensure optimal performance across various driving conditions. It's also going to include provisions for the factory intake manifold runner control, so it integrates very well with your Mustang's factory systems. This is going to be constructed from high quality composite materials, so the manifold is lightweight yet highly durable. Its heat-resistant properties ensure consistent performance by minimizing heat soak during the extended periods of driving. The Precision Engineering guarantees a direct fit with some modifications to the other components for a perfect fit, and the black finish gives it a nice modified performance look under the hood. Now, as far as pricing goes on this intake manifold, it's going to come in right around that $500 range, providing a premium upgrade that delivers exceptional gains in performance at an affordable price point. Now, installing this Ford 2018 Mustang intake manifold requires some mechanical skills, so on our difficulty meter, this is going to rate a 2 out of 3 wrenches. And it should take you about 2 hours to complete, depending on your experience level. You're going to want to pair the installation with a custom tune to maximize the performance gains and ensure compatibility. Alright, that's going to wrap up our review of the Ford 2018 Mustang intake manifold for the 2011 to 2023 Ford Mustang GTs. And for all things Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.